Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to fix promotion disabled on Instagram. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're gonna turn your personal account to professional account so you can reach out to go to your settings right here, and afterwards you're gonna go to the creator. So this is only available for creator or business professional account. So we're gonna go to the creator and you're gonna see right here the ad payments, branded content and all that, but you can't see the promotion button. So what you need to do is you're gonna go back and go to the help center, and we're gonna report a problem. So we're gonna report a problem without checking, and we're gonna proceed, and we're gonna say promotion. Okay, promotion section, promotion button not available. Please add to my account. Add promotion to my account. So that wraps it up. So after you've explained your problem and uploaded a picture, you're gonna send it to Instagram help and support, and they're gonna reply to you by 24 to 48 hours. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.